Tanya, and today I will show you how to quickly use chat search in your LyfQuest platform. So starting from the left navigation window, choose the chat tab. When selected, you will be presented with the chat page. There are several features on this screen that make communicating with your clients much easier. One of them is the chat search. Here in the upper left corner, you will see a magnifying glass. This is where you can do your search. You can search for a client you have chatted with in the past. If you scroll up and down and you can't find the client you're looking for, you can type in their first name. And here it shows you the days that you actually chatted with that particular client. And you can select one of those to see the conversation. You can also search by a client's last name. And you can go to that conversation to see what was said. You can also search by a term or a word that you can remember. And what happens is it will highlight that word in every conversation. And now you can go back and decide which conversation it is you're looking for. And it also gives you the date. That makes it easier for you to identify what you're looking for. Thank you for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials for setting up a successful LyfQuest platform.